So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial we're going to discuss how you can change the currency display on your YouTube studio. You might have been seeing the YouTube studio with a specific dollar currency visible to you. You can change that currency mode to any currency as per your preference, as per your country preference. For example, if you are residing in Saudi Arabia, you can change that option to Saudi Arab currency as well. So you can change that currency to any of the currency you want. So in order to do this process, just simply open the YouTube Studio on any web browser on your PC. For example, if I open the YouTube Studio on Chrome browser, here you have to go to the option of settings at the left window. You can see it just right there. When you click on the option of settings, here you are in the settings option, in the first option only at the general. Here the currency has been currently set to US dollars. From here you can click and select any of the currency as per your convenience. You can see a lot of currency for every country has been given right here, so you can select any of the currency as per your convenience. For example, if I select INR, which is Indian rupee, and hit save, now all the data which will be showing to me and on the analytics of YouTube Studio, that data has been converted to Indian rupees instead of US dollars. So by this method you can easily change the currency of YouTube Studio. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.